Want to use ChatGPT without opening your browser? Here's how to get it directly on your PC. First, click on the Windows search bar and type Microsoft Store. Open it, then search for ChatGPT. Once you find it, click Install to download the app. After installation, just open ChatGPT, log in with your account, and you're ready to go. Now you can use ChatGPT anytime. No need to open Chrome or any browser. If this trick helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.